Welcome back to the Yukon Project. We've analyzed millions of credit reports, hundreds of thousands of people's financial information, and we've designed programs to help improve people's financial lives. Today, we're going to look closely at the pros and cons of consolidating credit card debt with Lightstream. Lightstream is a respected personal loan provider, but would one of their loans be good for someone who is consolidating credit card debt? Lightstream's first pro is their APR. They offer loans between 9.39% and 25.99%. The low end of that range could save you a lot of money over your current credit cards, but 25.99% may or may not be enough of an improvement to justify consolidating with Lightstream. You should only consolidate your credit card debt if you can get an APR that is 2 to 3 percentage points lower than the interest rate you are currently paying on your credit cards. Another pro is that Lightstream doesn't charge any extra fees. And I really mean no fees, even the fees that would be reasonable and expected. Miraculously, they don't charge late fees if you are past due on a payment. You also won't be squeezed throughout the life of the loan by account maintenance fees or NSF fees. And they don't charge an origination fee at the start of your loan. This means that the entire cost of borrowing from Lightstream will be found in their interest rate. Lightstream accepts co-signers on their loans, but they call them co-applicants. If you can qualify for a debt consolidation loan and get the best rate on your own, there's little reason to entangle your spouse or a loved one in the process. But more often than not, a co-applicant can allow you to be approved when you otherwise wouldn't, or to earn a lower APR than you otherwise would have. This is especially true if your co-applicant's credit score is better, debt-to-income ratio is lower, or your income is higher. Lightstream lends as much as $100,000. They are one of only a handful of companies that will lend as much as $100,000. That's great if you have substantial credit card debt that you would like to consolidate. But if you do have substantial credit card debt, I would recommend talking to a certified debt counselor at a nonprofit organization before you consolidate. They can help you work through the options that might be best for you. There are a couple of downsides to using Lightstream to consolidate your credit card debt. And the first one is that Lightstream doesn't offer to directly pay off your credit cards. You'll receive the loans and need to pay off your credit cards yourself. Some people prefer the convenience of having the lender handle this process. But there is another reason why it's good that a lender offers this service. It means that they understand that the loan is meant to replace other debts and won't just stack on top of them. This should make it easier to be approved for a loan. Unfortunately, Lightstream doesn't offer this service. The higher minimum loan amount is another con. Lightstream won't lend less than $5,000. If you only have moderate amounts of credit card debt, Lightstream may not give you a loan low enough. Taking a bigger loan could undermine the whole point of consolidating your debt in the first place. Now, if you are brave, you could take the higher loan amount and use the extra money to make an immediate principal-only payment. This could accelerate your ability to get out of debt, but only if you're getting a lower rate with Lightstream than you would anywhere else. One of Lightstream's cons is that they are quite restrictive on their approvals. They only lend to people with good to excellent credit. That probably means people with credit scores above 680. If you have a credit score lower than that, you could apply, but your chances of being approved will drop dramatically. Lightstream may be a good option for you, but you owe it to yourself to shop around and make sure you're getting the best deal that you can get. At the Yukon Project, we've tried to make shopping around easy. You can visit our marketplace page and apply to one of our featured lenders. Behind the scenes, we will check your rate with up to 40 other lenders. The application will not affect your credit, and we will show you all of the approvals so that you can select the loan that's best for you. I have a final thought about consolidating your credit card debt. When companies promote their credit card debt consolidation loans, they usually lead with the benefit that it will simplify your payments. While consolidation will definitely do that, it is important to remember that this is not a good enough reason to consolidate in and of itself. The real point of consolidation is to pay off your debts, and that will simplify your life. So don't just consolidate so that you will have fewer bills to pay. Consolidate when it will help you pay less interest, make bigger principal payments, and pay off your loan sooner. Lightstream could be a great option for consolidating your credit card debt into a single personal loan, as long as you are aware of the potential downsides as well. If you found this video useful, please like it and consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.